This video explains how to set up your network in OmniVista Cirrus. It explains everything you need to know to set up OmniVista Cirrus, including the prerequisites for your stellar access points and Omni switches, as well as the prerequisites and configuration required on your network, and the account creation and configuration required. Here you can find the list of supported and unsupported stellar access points models. Also, the minimum software version required on the stellar access points is shown. If a lower version is installed, then the access point won't be able to contact the platform. All the OmniSwitch models running on Release 8 are supported on OmniVista Cirrus. All the models running in a different release, such as the OmniSwitches running on Release 5, are not supported. The minimum and recommended software version for your OmniSwitches are shown. A standard DHCP server is required on the network with additional options when using a proxy. Make sure that at least one NTP server is set up for access point synchronization. Finally, if you are using a firewall in your network, make sure that the following ports are open. Otherwise, no data can be transmitted to the platform. Check that your access point received a correct IP address so it can contact OmniVista Cirrus through your network. Use the following URL to reach the platform. To access it, you need to create a new account. Click on Sign Up and select a region, which is a server, on which your account will be created. Please note that the account is only created on the region you have selected. Back to the sign-in window, make sure that the same server is selected. The account creation process is straightforward, and you will be asked to activate your account via email. Log in with your credentials, and you are redirected to the organization homepage. With this account, you are considered an MSP user. This means that you can create and manage your own organization and invite new users to your organizations. You are then redirected to the dashboard of the organization. Being invited to an organization means that you can create your own site where you will attach the network devices. Create the site and fill in the name, country, and address. Adjust the location of your site on the map if needed. You are then prompted to configure buildings and floors for this site. Give a name to the building. And create a floor with the appropriate elevation. Once you have imported the floor plan, place it and scale it on the map. Finally, define the indoor area on the map and complete the creation process. As there aren't any network device declared yet for this site, go to Inventory, Device Catalog. Select your own site from the drop-down menu and click on Create Device. Set the device family to Stellar AP and enter the serial number of the Stellar access point. If you want to upgrade your access point to a specific firmware, after its discovery, select the version from the drop-down menu. Select the site, building, and floor for this access point, as well as an AP group, which will be the default one here. OmniSwitches are declared and onboarded in the same way. Click the Create Device button and set the device family to OmniSwitch. Select the desired software version, or keep Do Not Upgrade as default. Assign a site, building, and floor. And optionally, select a template that will push CLI commands to the OmniSwitch to add the selected configuration on top of the existing one. And complete the process with the Create button. To declare multiple OmniSwitch at once, you can complete and import an XLSX or CSV file in the Device Catalog page.